new lake. Yeah, the river was on the backside of that tree line over there. So, treehouse made it. Let's go. Basketball court. Holy moly. Or no, it wasn't on there. You can see where the river's at because it's flowing really well right there. The river just went to each side of the tree line.
Oh my god, it gets worse over here. I can't believe it reached all the way up here. The trampoline's out there.
Trampoline for scale. Jeez. Oh, there it is. Yeah, for context, the river is right there. You can see flowing. The log, no! Lagoning, why? There it goes. That's a big log, that's a whole tree.